What's going on, guys? It's your boy coming back at you with another video. As you guys can see, we got a check engine light on the 5.0 today, and I just missed my exit. Guys, they have Lambos here. Look at that Mazda. Jesus, this is gonna be good. All right, we're out park. Look, there's literally another Mustang with the same color, different wheels, same color wheels though. It's crazy. All right, guys, now if you guys been watching the channel, you guys know who I am going to meet up with right now. Cool. All right, guys, you guys know that wherever I'm at, you're gonna see Kiani, bro. Told you guys, we're gonna see some crazy ass cars right now. We got a Lambo, GTR, Supra, Jesus, and this guy's using a, oh my god, look how low these things are. Jesus, look at this. I never thought I was gonna see one of these in person, but they're so fucking low. We got a Supra over there, we got a Beamer right here. That's the GTR that I was looking at. Actually, I don't know if it was this one or that one, but when I was coming in, I think it was a red one. That's crazy. Look how low this thing is, and it has those nice seats. Man, all over my car. Literally almost every car is on bags. I don't know if that's on bag, but that thing is so low. Look, low, low. All of them are. Pretty sure they're all bagged. But on the way inside, there was a S197 that was all murdered out. I don't know where I saw it. Oh, it's over there. All right, I see you. I see you. Look, guys. I was driving inside, and first Mustang I saw, this thing is, oh, this thing is clean, all like murdered out. See, I was trying to do that with my car, but I ended up getting some silver wheels. So if I wrap it black, I'm gonna have some chrome wheels, all black. Or maybe go with this like midnight blue. This thing is clean though. We got a Supra over here. Marrow. Literally, they're all low. That's crazy. Damn, look at that thing. Got the tire. Damn, my boy don't got a seat in here. That's crazy. Look at the seat on that. Then we have the Gap Patrol over here. That's crazy. Big ass Modelo can. It's crazy. Seeing this car from far away, I almost thought it was a Bentley, but it's a Genesis. Look how clean this thing is. Look, kind of looks like an Infinity. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, this color. Imagine this color on the Pony with the wheels that I have on. What do you guys think? And of course, it'll be bagged. And we got this right here. My brother would have been crazy about this car. Jesus. So 720. Yep. Then we got a GTR over here. Are those? Yep. That's crazy. Literally got machine guns on top of a GTR. And you're driving, right? And in the back you see a GTR, and then you see those big old machine guns pointing at you, bro.
And I'll downshift and go. I figure it disappear.
Cool car, man. What is that? Is that Ferrari? It's crazy. Literally a Ferrari here. I don't think I've seen a Supra in this color, now that I really think about it. And of course, it would be on bags. Everything here is on bags, bro.
Literally, everything's on a bag.
No lie, I thought bags were for groceries, so.
Ziploc bag, grocery bag, and you name it, dude. Every bag is here. Airbag.
He literally got aerodynamics, bro. He's this thing has aerodynamics. That's crazy. I wouldn't mind whipping this, I'm not gonna lie. Pulling up to this in a meet, imagine, and it has the side fenders on it too. That thing is crazy, bro. Look at the air vents, guys. It's literally on top of it.
That's still a different autobahn.
Like no matter where we go, what meet we hit, we always see this blue Supra and that blue Corvette over there. Crazy. That's crazy right here. I kind of want to see this thing race, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, oh. Oh. Guys, these cars just, every time I see them, I swear they always break my neck no matter what. They just look so clean. Look at that. Imagine Stilo would have never gotten a 5.0, he would have gotten one of these. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is just so good with the wheels. Like this is how my car could look if I wrap my car black and get, you know. The only difference is that I don't have a Pro Charger on my car. This thing could absolutely gap me. Damn, that's crazy. This is how my car will look. So I don't think we saw this car when we pulled up, but this S2K is just so clean. Look at it. I know for sure Chris will be drooling over this car. He has those wheels though, if I'm not mistaken. This thing is so clean. Look. I'm not gonna lie, I've been wanting to see these here. These to me are just so clean. I don't know, guys, which one you guys prefer, the Supra or the NSX? Personally, I will go with this one, but I don't know. I don't know with you guys. There's one over there too. It's a black one though. They have a Datsun too. It's crazy. You have a Yaris with a Liberty wide body kit. That's crazy. I have Yanni, people want to know when are you gonna let me drive the Shelby? Never. I find it so cool when like the driver goes beyond and actually gets like a logo like that in front of the hood. It just looks so good. Like this one has it, that one has it, the one over there has it. It just looks so like, I don't know, professional, you could say. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give my boy some props. Look at the license plate on this thing. Sexy. And it is, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. You did good, my boy. Or girl, whatever you are. Alright guys, we're back at the donut pit. Keanu.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Not that boy.
Stop it. Stop it.